Give your job shop a new business advantage with the Sinumerik 828D CNC. Achieve faster and easier part production by using the residual material detection function of the new control. Quickly remove larger material on a first pass using a larger tool. The control remembers the residual material. Then on a second pass, using a smaller tool, the CNC only cuts the material left over, not the entire shape or pocket. For example, for a steep contour, an 80-degree plunge cut can be done. Since the control will precisely record the residual material path, you can immediately move on to the next process. So give your job shop a new business advantage. Achieve faster and easier part production using residual material detection. Seeing is believing with the Sinumerik 828D CNC.